myself, I'm an early years educator, and I feel proud. Instead of giving me any other designation, I feel to say I am a teacher of early years. I think of a few teachers from Little Kingdom requesting to have a prayer song here.
Breathing in, breathing out.
We all teach the letters and numbers. They cannot go sit and do that. It's not an easy job for an early years teacher to make them sit, listen to you, adapt with you, adapt in the classroom, the nature, everything. Then only you can start teaching them. It's not actually teaching. Yeah, we cannot say we are teaching them. Actually, we are learning together with the children. Children want to go out and explore. Actually, I'll tell you one thing, that is the nature of the children. That is the nature of the children.
It is that emotional connectedness what is behind this clear one is not about but not about clear side flow. From early years, we might think of activity.
But we are still teaching there. A says apple. Of course, sound is important. I don't say apple. அவங்க அம்மா ஒரு வயசுல இருந்து இது என்னது apple. Apple சாப்பிடலாமா சொல்லி கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. So this is what I have to make sure all the digital is not harmful. How useful we are going to give it to the children.